Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, YouTube. Today's BIMMERS versus the world, so we're gonna go ahead and do some driving today. Head on over. There should be a lot of heavy hitters there. One stock should be there. No hezzy. I think SCI Mikey. Like all fast cars are gonna be there today. Whole of tri-state area is gonna be driving on over there. M340 right here, filling up. It is not clean. I feel like I always say that in the videos. The car is not clean. We had some heavy rain yesterday, but yeah. Hope you like the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. Whoa. Gotta get used to having the GoPro on my head. Hello. Lie to you, I know I'm not doing much talking. You guys also let me know if you guys want the POV to include talking. If you guys don't want me to include talking, I could do that too. Just let me know. I'm trying it out. Cutting up thing is not for me. I'll speed up if I have to or whatever, but cutting up, not me. I'll leave that to the professional drivers, you heard? Ew. Well, if you guys are just tuning in now at this random point in the video, it is 7:07 a.m. in New York. It is, I guess you can say, our tri-state area season opener, because basically everybody's gonna be there. all of New York, all of New Jersey, all of Connecticut, also all of Pennsylvania as well, because the event is actually taking place in Pennsylvania. So yeah, gotta drive what, 2.5, right? 2.5, I believe. 2.5 hours to get to where we're going. We've driven longer distances, but yeah. Oh shit. Well, the car is letting off. I'll crack this a little so you guys can hear it. Relatively quiet. Valvetronic and catless exhaust, catless downpipe. I don't know if anybody drives in Jersey. This part right here, when it comes to getting on the turnpike and all that different stuff and the 12 million exits, always get confused. I always get confused. Don't know why. There's nothing like a morning drive though, I must say. Morning drive, they're relaxing. Traffic is low, especially Sunday morning drives, they're perfect. Alright, so it's dumb cold, so we decided to sit in the car, but everybody's still here. We're gonna head out to the second spot in like another 10 minutes or so. And yeah, we'll go back on the go. Don't tell me you don't know like about bitch. No, I'm joking. Yeah, then I'll throw back on the GoPro. Look like we don't have a safety meeting, so we'll do that, and then we're gonna head out. Yo, anybody else have problems with getting rocks stuck in their wheels? Or this is a BMW thing, right? I feel like a dad when I got the camera. I feel like the OD dad.
I'm leading with him. His car, my car, and Gio, the X4M, the blue X4M. If you pass us, you're fucked. Plain and simple. That's it, you're fucked. You're banned from Jersey, Long Island, and Philly. Banned. And BIMMERS United, also, you go over fuck yourself if you fuck around. Yeah, that hurt my feelings.
That's kind of dangerous. My man, exhaust is hanging off. Alright everybody, it looks like we've made our way downtown. I don't know how we made it on this side, but yeah. I actually like this license plate. Man say he can't hook. Heard that? This guy Leezy over there. Gotta watch my 6. AC Schnitzer.
Yeah, it's all separate. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do next. Carbon, that and carbon, polish, dude.
Dude, if you polish this, you got this. I think it's CSF, and like paint match to the car,
Yeah.
and then everything around it was carbon and titanium. Anything that was pipe was titanium, and everything else was like carbon. I was like,
Alpina. This is beautiful.
That was the close one. When I first started, that's where
It's clean as fuck. Damn. The black GT.
Drag racers, please report to the lanes for your first round of qualifying. Drag racers, please report to...
Red Bull. Oh, we got the EVs here. That's crazy. RACECARS. Oh my god. This is where DeAndre needs to be at. Where is he at? This is a clean. Was it 325? Because it's not an M3.
My bad. Sorry.
No, you're good. You're good. Nice interior. Wow. My YC30 is better.
The red one. I'm telling you, we gotta get you one that's on his way.
I think I saw this yesterday. No, did I? Oh, I was on this page yesterday. I was on this car page yesterday. It popped up. Wow. Wow. If DeAndre gets 7 Series, I gotta get this.
Got blue.
God damn!
Out of 5-second car.
Nigel, left or right lane?
Right lane.
I got left lane, bro. Try that again, bro? Damn, bro. Merrick M Powerhouse. We got Reef RA here.
car? Oh, okay. This G is wild, bro. He say he's moving or something like that? Bro. Huh? One of the Mickeys in the back, man. 18s all day, my guy. I like the 19s, bro. No? Huh? You don't like the 19s? You what?
They both look nice.
They do. You can't go wrong with either or, though. I was gonna say, somebody's dogs is out here. All you. Yeah, the lip on the front is huge. Man, Aaron. It's a fucking sign. To be honest, when I come to the events, these are definitely what I come to see. We got one stock Dre.
Thank you very much to all the brave men and women that have served this great country of ours, and on behalf of
Turbo S.
That's the older guy too.
Listen, all right, let me try to explain now. Now that I'm a little more calm, you're like slightly went in it, and it felt as fast as my G83 can go.
All right, y'all. I'm gonna end it here. There's some racing, but it seems like some things are kind of delayed too. But we're gonna head out of here. I hope you guys like the video. Coming here made it seem like it's a sign for me to get an E30. So maybe we'll entertain that in the future. But anyway, if y'all like the video, like, comment, subscribe, let me know. We got cars out here, guys. It's gonna be a long summer. I hope you guys stay tuned. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Peace. Deuces, y'all.